we haven't heard of any arrests. And it was done in broad daylight. That's a very grave matter, because we saw the pain, particularly of children who were tear gassed. We saw injuries. We saw destruction of property. We cannot sweep that under the carpet. So as the opposition is saying, and every responsible Kenyan is saying, the cabinet secretary involved, so therefore we urge government, the agencies concerned, do your part. Don't get delayed anymore. And there is that issue that has been raised as a church. We have encouraged politicians into our space, and we have said, as the Presbyterian Church of East Africa, we do not allow politicking in the church. Yes, we have members who are in the political class. They attend our services. The much we do is allow them to